Yay! We are the vending machine. Let's get save money like that. Oh, I'm gonna try Coca-Cola Classic. Pencilmiss is like, I'm gonna try Danko. What about you, Pencilmate? I'm choosing Coca-Cola Classic. Watch is like, yes. Now that it's perfectly gone, I can break the vending machine. Ha ha, let's do it. Yes, it worked. Let's get out of here. Hey, who broke my vending machine? Wait a minute, it was Roger. Roger, get over here now. Yes, what's the matter? Did you break the vending machine? Yes, I did. Roger, how did you break the Walmart vending machine? You know that it cost me some more than money expensive. Go home now. I will comb your hair. Good, yes. Pencilmiss, look. You got your sodas, and you comb your hair. You two are grounded. Yay, time to go beat up your pizza. Watcher, I just got a call saying that you broke the vending machine. Is that true? Yes, it did. Watcher, how did you break the vending machine? Concussion time, too bad. Concussion time.